Hey, y'all! I'm hitting y'all with a three-piece today, okay? Because I did um, a review, a performance review of the Jetson Bolt e-bike, so I'm gonna be uploading that one. So you guys are getting three videos for the price of one today. So here it is. This is the assembled HappyRun G50, and I must say, man, with the tire stickers on it, it looks pretty rad. It looks pretty rad. Now, I'll wait for the customer to get up here and then I can adjust. I don't know if he wants the handlebars sitting kind of up or, down just a tad bit more. But other than that, it's all together. Um, a total assembly time was about, I take my time. Like when it's stuff like that, like out of box and everything, man, I take my time with it. So it was about an hour and a half. About an hour and a half. Uh, I did okay. So, couple of little things. So this is the reason why I do what I do, and I get paid to do this. Because sometimes you run into some issues. Like now, as much as I was raving about the packaging, there's still the handling side of it, right? How was it handled when it was getting put in? So this little part on the ignition switch was popped out a little bit right here, right? And over here on the, what was it? Oh, right here on the speed switch, this was popped out a little bit also. So what does that tell me? When they were putting the bike down in the box, something clipped right here and right there. And both of these little pieces right here were off. And with this piece, the speed switch didn't want to work at first. So I had to go over here and pop this thing back in, and then we got it all good to go. So there was that, and this was a pain in the ass. So let's see if I can, let's see. Okay. If you guys can see, there is, it might be really hard to see at this point. But right in here, okay, right in there, okay, there was a spur, okay? There was a spur from the tap when they threaded the crank, right? And this thing did not want to screw in. Okay, it did not want to screw in, and I was like, dude, this was literally like the last. No, this was the last thing I put on, but this right here, like the bike was made basically together, and I was just like, dude, are you fucking kidding me? So yeah, there was a little spur inside of there, and this thing didn't want to screw in, and I didn't, and it was starting to kind of like eat at the threads, and I was like, oh shit. So I had to take a pick and some pliers and pull literally like the spur out of there. I had to pick it out of there. It was a little thin piece of metal. And then after I did that, look at that, screwed right in. Okay. So there was just three little slight things. That was from manufacturing. That was from the factory right there. That was a spur that was in there. This, I can already tell. This was from when the bike got put down in the box. Something got hung up right here and right here and pulled these little things out. I don't know what happened there, but we are all good to go. Here's the ignition key. I have the battery key right here. There's spares of each one that come in that box that you guys will have seen on the unboxing video. So here we go. I'm leaving all the stickerage and everything on there, right? It's sitting at about 51.5 volts, so it could use a little bit of a charge. But there you go. See, now the speed switch works. See there? So we did have to kind of fix that and pop that one back into place, right? Horns working, lights, turn signals, headlamp, brake lights, everything's working, right? So here we go, fully assembled HappyRun G50, fresh out the box, ready to hit the road. Again, man, those are some bomb tires. I like them. All right, you guys, you have a good one. Peace.